This amazingly efficient way to hold two strands of yarn starts by aligning the strands and wrapping them around the little finger. If you hold yarn in your left hand, then wrap them around your left little finger. Then place your left index finger under the strand in color A and your left middle finger under the strand in color B. To knit a stitch in color A, insert the tip of the right needle from left to right into the first stitch on the left needle. Then pick the strand that comes from your index finger and pull the strand through, forming a perfectly knit stitch in color A. To knit a stitch in color B, insert the needle into the stitch on the left needle, then dive underneath the strand in color A and pick the strand that comes from your middle finger and pull that strand through, and voila, we have a stitch in color B. If you hold yarn in your right hand, then align the strands and wrap them around your right little finger. Then insert your right index finger and middle finger in between the strands so that the strand in color A is closer to your index finger and the strand in color B is closer to your middle finger. To knit a stitch in color A, insert the needle into the stitch, then pinch the strand in color A between your right thumb and index fingers and wrap the strand around the tip of the right needle as we do when we knit a stitch. Pull the wrap through, and here we go. We have a nice stitch in color A. To knit a stitch in color B, insert the needle into the stitch, then move your index finger up to get hold of that strand in color B, and use the index finger to move the strand around the tip of the right needle. Pull the strand through, and here we have a stitch in color B. This way of holding two strands of yarn works best with pixel color work. Because this type of stranded knitting is based on alternating one stitch in color A and one stitch in color B, both strands always have even tension. There is no slack, and as a result, no floppy strands falling off our fingers, and no messed up knitting tension. Everything is perfectly even. I used pixel color patterns to decorate pixel socks. See how beautifully colorful they are. It looks complicated, but in fact, this is the easiest type of stranded knitting. It is so easy that you can knit it even if you're very new to knitting with two colors. And color work is not the only feature of these socks. They also have very comfortable shaping of the toes. And they have a unique heel shaping that makes sure the socks don't slip off your feet no matter what. Did I inspire you to make a pair of your very own pixel socks? The pattern has instructions for 9 sizes, and it is supported by 17 video tutorials that will walk you through every little trick that I used to make this project. Give it a try. The link is in the description.